You're most welcome to our channel, to my channel Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School, and this school situated in Golna Bazar. Okay, today's our topic is maths lab activity, that is related to topic measurement. Okay, and in measurement topic we have learned different units as like. Firstly, we have a study measurement of length, and in measurement of length, we have learned that we use fingers, handspans, cubits, feet, and pace to measure length. When we use parts of our body to measure, measurements can vary. Okay, so we need different units to measure length. As like centimeter is a unit of length, we use measure short length in centimeters, and we can use a scale to measure short length. And the short forms of centimeter is cm, and the long marks on the scale are 1 centimeter apart. And next is meter. Meter is a bigger unit of length, and the short form of meter is m. We use meter to measure long lengths such as the length of the blackboard, a cupboard, and a bed. And the next is exercise, and the next is measurement of weight. And in measurement of weight, we can measure weight with the help of different units as like gram. Gram is a unit of weight, and we use gram to measure light things as like 500 gram, 200 gram, 100 gram, 50 gram. We measure the weight of some fruits in grams, and the short form of gram is g. And next is kilogram. Kilogram is a bigger unit of weight, and we use kilogram to measure heavy thing. We can see weight of 5 kg, 2 kg, and 1 kg. And the short form of kilogram is kg. And the next is measurement of capacity. You know that a bucket holds less quantity of water than a river, so a bucket has less capacity than a river. The capacity of a container is the maximum quantity of liquid it can hold. We need different units to measure capacity, as like milliliter. Milliliter is a unit of capacity. We use milliliter to measure small quantities of liquid, and we can measure the quantities these containers can hold in milliliters. And a short form of milliliter is ml. And next one is liter. Liter is a bigger unit of capacity, and we use liter to measure large quantities of liquid. We measure the quantity these containers can hold in liters. So we have to come on this topic, maths lab activity. And first activity is to measure length. What you have to do? Ask your teacher to give you a ribbon as long as your height, and use the ribbon to measure the length of the following in your classroom or home. Firstly, you have to ask your teacher to give you a ribbon as long as your height. Use the ribbon to measure the length of the following in your classroom or home. What? First, now circle the correct option. The height of the door is more than, less than, equal to my height. The height of the door is more than my height, so we have to tick out more than. Next one is second, the length of the blackboard is more than, less than, equal to my height. The length of the blackboard is more than my height, so we have to take more than. Okay. And the next one is in third, the length of the book is more than, less than, equal to my height. The length of the book is less than my height. Okay. And the length of the book is less than my height, so we have to take less than. Fourth, the height of the bookshelf is more than, less than, equal to my height. The height of the bookshelf is more than my height, so we have to take more than. Activity B, M to estimate weight. You will need soap, cake, washing powder, chocolate, a packet of salt, or other things of daily use. In this activity, you have to estimate weight, and what you have to need? Soap, cake, washing powder, chocolate, a packet of salt, or other things of daily use. What are the steps? In first step, you have to work in pairs. That means you have to work in Two students. A student A holds an object in his her hand and he guesses the weight of the object. This is the estimated weight. A student A hold an object in his hand. Let's suppose a student hold an object as like so in his hand and he guesses the weight of the object and a guess is estimated weight is 500 gram and he gives the weight of the soap is the 500 gram and this is the estimated weight. And now on thought, student B rates the weight of the object printed on the packet and this is the actual weight. And now student B rates the weight of the object printed on the packet, this is the actual weight, that is 1 kg. And now you can take turns to gauge the weight of different object and verify your answer by looking at the actual weight. And make a table as shown below. Once again, activity B, aim to estimate weight. You will need soap, cake, washing powder, chocolate, a packet of salt or other things of daily use. Steps. In first, work in pairs. There are two students. In on second, student A hold an object in his hand as like so. C guesses the weight of the object, that is 500 gram. This is the estimated weight, and the student B reads the weight of the object printed on the packet. This is the actual weight, that is 1 kg. You can take turns to guess the weight of different object and verify your answer by looking at the actual weight. Make a table as shown below. And the next is mental maths. So we have to come on mental maths, that is take the unit you will use to measure the following: height of a tree, that is meter; length of your shoelaces, that is in centimeter; length of your brush, that is in centimeter; length of a packet box, that is in centimeter; and height of your house, that is in meter. Once again, height of a tree, that is in meter; second, length of your shoelaces, that is in centimeter; length of your brush, that is in centimeter; and fourth, length of a box, that is in centimeter; and fifth, height of your house, that is in centimeter. Question B, join each picture to the correct box. Football less than a kg, leaf less than a kg, crayon less than a kg, a fruit of basket more than a kg, bird less than a kg, girl more than a kg. Once again, football less than a kg, second, fruit of basket, that is more than a kg, leaf less than a kg, food, bird less than a kg, crayon less than a kg, girl more than a kg. Now take the one you would use to measure capacity. First, second, third, that is third, that is used to measure capacity. Okay, so we have to take third, that is used to measure capacity. Okay, the next is worksheet. Look for these things in your house. Take the unit of length that you will use to measure this object. First, the pencil is measured in centimeter, so we have to take centimeter. Second, the table's length is measured in centimeter, so we have to take centimeter. And the next is third, eraser. The eraser's length is measured in centimeter, so we have to take centimeter. Okay, and fourth, the bed's length is in meter, so we have to take meter. First, pencil centimeter; second, table centimeter; third, eraser centimeter; fourth, bed meter. Question B, Jesse takes care to feed animals on his farm. Take the correct unit of measurement of quantity of food for these animals. Hens food is in gram. First, hens food is in gram, so we have to take gram. Second, dog's food is in gram, so we have to take gram. Third, cow's food is kilogram, so we have to take kilogram. And fourth, horse grains is horse food is in kg, so we have to take kg. Hen gram, dog gram, cow kilogram, horse kilogram. Once activity given here. Take a jug of water and some glasses of the same size. With the help of an adult, pour water from the jug into the glasses. How many glasses could you fill if you double the number of glasses? How many jugs of water will you need to fill them? Firstly, you have to take a jug of water and some glasses of the same size. Okay, and with the help of an adult pour water from the jug into the glasses. How many glasses could you fill? If you double the number of glasses, how many jugs of water will you need to fill them? Okay, you have to do this activity. Okay, thank you.